Hey guys, what's up? Here's Sal from ranking10x.com, and in this video I'm going to discuss about topical maps, what it is, how you can create it, and what sort of results you can expect by doing so. Okay, recently Web20 Ranker came out with an experiment on this, and this is a result of topical map and actually building content around the topical map. This is something that you can expect too if you are doing this in a good manner. Again, implementing all the stuff that's mentioned in the video, and other than that, your website is kind of a bit aged. It's not completely new. Okay, I'm just assuming that. Okay, so now let's directly jump into the main topic and see how you can create a topical map without actually spending 10 hours or maybe 15 hours or so. So again, as any other work, there are two ways to create a topical map, either manually or using any AI tools. Okay, so we'll be doing using AI tools because again, in this video we are focusing mainly for local SEO, and local SERP or local search is kind of a bit easier compared to national SEO. So you don't really need to do a lot of stuff when it comes to topical map and building topical authority. You can use AI tools like Claude.ai or ChatGPT and create one, and then you can build content around that. Okay, so my preference is always Claude.ai because I find the output of Claude much better compared to ChatGPT. So I would suggest this tool. This is a free tool, but again, if you want, you can use the same prompt on ChatGPT too. Okay, this is a prompt that we are using. I'll just paste this in the description so that you can use this. If you see, this is a pretty descriptive font, right? This ain't a very thin one. Okay, so we start with please create a topical map for, again, in this bracket we'll be adding the keyword. Again, here's the thing. So for instance, let's say you're a plumber. You don't need to put plumber here. Create or think of subtopics within your niche. Let's say you're a chiropractor. You have got a lot of stuff, right? Neck pain, then back pain and those sort of stuff. You're a plumber. You have got drain cleaning and other sort of stuff. What I would suggest is kind of within your notepad, your iPad, whatever you want to use, have your primary category or primary service at the top. Let's say plumbing. Then write all the other subcategories down. Drain cleaning, pipe maintenance, and any other services that you're providing. Okay, now one by one we'll be focusing on each of those subcategories. We'll be building topical maps around that, and then once a particular topical map or topical content creation is done, we'll be moving on to the other one. Make sense? For instance, if we start with drain clean, again, this stuff would be same for any other subcategory too. You would just need to replicate this step. Okay, so we'll start by putting this thing in Claude.ai or ChatGPT, again, whatever you want to use. If you read this, we have written, please create a topical map for this thing. Visualize the topical map in a table format in step, and we are having around, I guess, 6 or 7 steps. Yeah, 6 steps. So this is a pretty detailed prompt, and here's the result. Okay, it has given us 2 drain cleaning methods. Again, 5 methods within this. Then drain cleaning tools, then common drain cleaning issues, then preventive measures, then professional drain cleaning services, then tables of nouns, and then their linked topics. Okay, the main stuff here. Let me tell you the main thing that I want to discuss. Few of the stuff might seem irrelevant to you. For instance, a professional drain cleaning services. This is definitely something that you would have on your website already. This isn't gonna be a blog post. Okay, this is gonna be a page. This is gonna be some sort of service page. I'm assuming that you would already have these sort of pages. If not, surely get these, because this is something that should be already there on your website. But when we are talking about topical authority, as of now, we want to discuss mainly about the informative topics rather than commercial ones, because most of us will be having commercial pages already. Bit any niche, you would find 2 main stuff. Okay, you will find 2 main, or I would say 3. Issues, preventive measures, then methods. These 3 things are really helpful, and you can certainly write, or you can certainly use AI, depending upon what sort of AI you're using, to write content around that. We'll be using common drain issues for now. Claude has suggested to write on this, clogged kitchen sinks. So what we'll be doing is we'll be just searching this on Google to know what exact stuff people are searching based on what's the meta title of our competitors, okay, or similar businesses. How to unclog a kitchen sink is what everyone is searching actually. Okay, So I'll be using journalist.ai. Okay, just before I show you the tool and all, just make sure one thing. This stuff that you're seeing, this isn't a topical map. This is the pre-step before a topical map. This needs to be visualized. Okay, you can either use tools like Google Sheet or any other mind mapping tool if you want. If you want to simplify this. Okay. But the sole reason why I'm not showing this is because I have already showed all the stuff that you need to know. You just need to copy and paste this stuff. It's very simple. You can just go on to Google Sheets and you can just paste this, then all these 5 stuff, as a sub menu and those sort of stuff. This is crazy simple. Okay, I don't need to tell you about this. You can use any mind map tool. You can use Google Sheets, Google Docs, whatever you want to use. Okay, once we have searched this particular term, we know what people are searching, so we'll be copying this and we'll be going into journalist.ai. Again, I'll put the link of it in the description. And the sole reason why I'm using journalist and not ChatGPT, not Claude, not any other AI writing tool is because this gives you much better output than any other ones. Okay, let me show you how. None other tool will give you images. It's gonna give you, and it's AI images, so you don't really have to worry about watermark and all the other legal actions too. Okay, then the main stuff. Okay, the main stuff, if you see, it also embeds a YouTube video that's related to your topic. And if you are aware of this, YouTube videos help you rank on that particular keyword. So this is crazy simple stuff, yet none other AI tool are doing this. Again, FAQ sections here. So this is really good. There's one feature that I really like about this particular tool. Let me show you that. You would just need to click on generate articles, then put the title here, for instance, how to unclog a kitchen sink. Then you have content. Okay, you can select target country, language, and then tone of voice, point of view. I like to have it as first personal, either plural or first personal person singular. So then that's done. I can have any custom instruction if I want. If I want this tool to have a very short paragraph or those sort of stuff. Then we have knowledge, or you can just click on connect to web and don't connect, so that this actually pulls the information directly from the current SERP or search. Okay, then formatting, bold, italics, tables, or quotes, and those sort of stuff. Then structures. Okay, you can put your website over here, and this will give call to action. This is something that none other tool will give you. And being a local business owner, you would want that. You just don't want to have an article on your website for the sake of topical authority and those sort of stuff, but you want those visitors to also convert into a paying customer, right? So this is a fantastic stuff. None other tool will actually give this. Okay, this is done. Then internal linking. This is again a really good stuff that you won't find in any other tool. You can add a sitemap of your website. Okay, and what it will do is it will create relevant internal links towards any of the blog posts, pages, and those sort of stuff within this. Then external linking, this is pretty optional. I don't like to have this. Then click on generate article, and it will provide articles, something like what I just showed you. One stuff that I want to mention, you cannot just have this particular post, copy this and paste this onto your website. You don't want that. The sole reason, this is a great tool, this is a great article, but again, you would want to edit a bit. What exact stuff you want to edit is when you create a topical map, you are creating, if you remember, I said you would need to create a topical map for each of those subcategories or subtopics, right? Now we'll be going onto our own website, copying the link of drain drain cleaning page, drain cleaning service page. We want to copy that, and let's say we build we build 10 content around drain cleaning subcategory or subtopic. We'll be linking to the drain cleaning service pages from all these 10 topic pages or top 10 topic blog posts. Make sense? This is what's gonna help your service pages also rank a lot better. Make sense? It's kind of easy. You would just need to go on to the tool and click on create revision, and this will give you an option to edit this. Okay, now you can just go on any of the stuff and click on hyperlink, then put the URL and click on OK. Now you can just kind of either or select send to integration, this can just directly pull onto your own website, or you can just copy this thing from here, and you can paste this on your CMS, whether it's WordPress, whether it's any other in any other platform. You can just put this particular thing there. Okay, it's kind of pretty fine stuff and pretty simple stuff. Just one thing, just before you are you are actually directly pasting this, just have a look at each of the stuff and link to your home pages from all these call to actions. In most of the cases, tool will already do this if you have enabled the option that I mentioned previously. If any chances are left, the tool might not do. So just copy this, again hyperlink, and link to the relevant page. It's as simple as that. Make sense? So this was it, about topical mapping and how you can create content using this tool. And I'll put the link to this tool in the description and pin comment too, so you can check this out. This is a fucking amazing tool. Okay, so that was all. I hope you liked the video. Let me know how it was, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Bye bye.